Storing a lot of images or videos in your Cloudinary media library is great, but sometimes finding a specific item can be a hassle. The solution is to add tags to your content, but adding tags to multiple files can be slow and tedious, especially if you have a big set of files. For instance, I have this image here and I'll add the corresponding tags to it. Luckily, Cloudinary offers a range of add-ons that provide capabilities beyond what's already available. Let me show you an example using Python and Flask. I'll make a simple call to the upload method from the Cloudinary API to choose a file and perform the upload. Now let's add the tagging capability to that process. To do that, go to the Add-ons tab, where you can see various options for different add-ons, including Google Auto Tagging, which we'll use for this example. First, enable the add-on. Now the add-on is enabled for your account and can be used in the upload process. Let's take a look. Going back to the Python Flask code, let's focus on the upload function that's called when the client hits the upload route. First, let's initialize the Cloudinary SDK with the corresponding environment variable. In the upload function, you'll parse the data to grab the uploaded file, and then pass new options to the uploader method call to enable auto tagging. Add the categorization property to be Google tagging and another property that's related to the first one called auto tagging. This is a number that represents the minimum confidence score when detecting the category. Let's default to the example number 0.6. Now, upload an image and you'll see the results pop up, including a bunch of different tags and categorizations that were automatically distinguished from the image. Let's take a look at the media library and check the recently uploaded image. You'll see the tags that were added. The auto-tagging add-on will add tags based on the image content. Let's upload another image of a deer and wait for it. You'll see that one of the tags added is deer. Going back to the media library, you'll see that the image was tagged as deer. Ultimately, this is helpful for being able to search for images within your media library, such as if you wanted to search for all images with a deer tag. To sum up, to make sure you can easily search for all media assets in your library, you can use a tagging mechanism enabled by Cloudinary, such as the Google Auto Tagging add-on. Once enabled, you just need to add categorizations and auto tagging properties inside the uploader function. And anytime you upload with that method, you'll get a list of tags associated with the different things inside the image.